sister Ali was brutally killed in a flat in Swansea last September by her boyfriend Dean Marcus Jones. As a family, we are totally devastated at the loss of our beautiful daughter, sister, aunt, niece and cousin. He has robbed my children of their auntie. They will be too young to really remember her. They were 6 and 3 when she was killed. I still can't tell them that she's dead. They don't know, and it pains me that one day I will have to explain to them what happened.
As always, our thoughts are with the family and friends of Alison Farr-Davies, who I hope have been given some comfort by the sentencing of Dean Marcus Jones. The tragic death of Alison brought shock and sadness to the community, and I would like to thank the local community for their support during the investigation. We welcome today's sentencing, which brings an end to the criminal investigation, and again pass my condolences to Alison's family, who have acted with great dignity and humility throughout the horrific ordeal. Throughout his police interviews, Dean Marcus Jones has never gave an explanation for his actions on that day or why he committed this awful crime against defenceless women.
What he has done is destroyed us all. I tried to tell my girls that monsters don't exist, but they do. It's him. He is a monster for what he did to Ali. He has robbed us of all such a beautiful person, and we all miss her so much. Thank you.